Please turn to Ecclesiastes 5:57,000. I am doing this look for you guys today. This is a really neutral look. I'm on my way to church. That's not why it's neutral, because God don't care. He already knows the stuff that I can do, the abilities. It's only natural because I had no idea what I was gonna wear. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I have a shortage of church clothes, but I have exceedingly and abundantly an amount of thought clothes. So I'm trying to level up, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to change my life. So, but it's hard because I can't go to church, you know what I'm saying? All willy-nilly, if you know what I mean. Yeet. Oh no, wait. Whoa, I don't know, I can't keep up. You kids are crazy. Y'all, we are at 600 and something subscribers, and I feel so amazing about that. Like, thank y'all for reposting the video with me with the spray and the hair and the stuff. I need to really get cracking on a lot of my other videos. I say that all the time. This is the 5011 time I'm saying it, and that's usually the bottom of the alphabet in numbers, the 5011. We are almost at 1,000. So once I get to 1,000, I'm telling you, like, it's up and running. But of course, I cannot wait to reach my goal to get crazy. I have to get crazy now, crazier, because y'all already know how I'm coming. Wow. Anyway, but I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Hello. This channel is full of craziness. Like, even this video, I have hella hiccups. And I'm not editing them out because this is where the real happens. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want all that, oh my gosh, I'm gorgeous, then y'all can just watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians. This is Keeping Up with Lang, and there's no keeping up with me because I don't even know what I'm about to do or say. So, which is dangerous. Roll the tape.
So guys, I'm using my Max Fix Plus matte. Say that 5 times fast. And then I'm using my Femme Rosa palette, She from ColourPop Cosmetics. And I'm going to prime my eyes with my NARS concealer and blend it in with my fingers to create warmth. Smudge it all around. Then I'm using this color at the bottom here to go ahead and be my outer color. Blending color. Blending. I'm annoying. I'm back. Hey.
So I'm just gonna do something really simple, but I'm gonna use this video as an opportunity for me to catch up with y'all because it's been a hot minute. It's just that, for one, I'm trying to get my skin together, and it's actually doing a whole lot better than it was like a month ago. Like, my skin was really bad a month ago, but it's not that, you know what I'm saying, I haven't been filming. I have filmed like quite a few videos, and they've never made it to the internet because, for one, I'd be lazy when it comes to editing now, which is really weird because I love editing, but the videos just, like, they're just not up to what I feel like the standard should be. So I think I'm gonna go with something very gold, because that's usually my go-to when I don't know. So I'm gonna go to this color here. It's Ladylike Metallic.
Okay, this was meant to be a video where I'm talking through it, but in this video I realized something that has been told to me so many times. I talk too much, so I had to go ahead and mute the actual clips and talk over them in order to save time, because literally this video was like 28 minutes and I was like, oh my god, I would have never thought. What a surprise.
Like, I really feel like that's it. Like, I don't know. I just feel like what, should I smoke it up a little bit? Y'all can't talk back to me, so y'all don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it simple. Like, I think this is it. Simple church makeup. That's what the title of this video gonna be. Simple church makeup. I'm also using LA Girl Pro Coverage and Bronze, and I'm gonna mix it with my Revlon Color Stay in 400 Caramel. I'm gonna use my Airspun. I have it in, I'll show you the lid. I have my Airspun in the translucent powder to soak up all this oil. I have not washed my brushes, y'all, and I can't even remember how long. Like, they're so nasty. I need to bring them to church with me so they can get saved because they out of control. All right, so now that I use my Airspun, I have it in the translucent powder. I don't experience any flashback. I know there's probably 1,000 reviews on this Airspun. This is my first time trying it. I don't experience any flashback. I do notice that because it's translucent and the main color is kind of like whitish. I mean, there's no pink in it, but I'm sure there's a pink undertone. Under my eyes at times, like in pictures, looks a little bit lighter than I prefer, which is why you should use a color that's closer to your tone. But I really want to order that, what's that yellow powder, that Sasha? I need to get around to ordering that. I'd be so late, y'all. Like, I need to get with it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my NARS Radiant Concealer under my eye. Okay, that's better because I was like all up in, like, I could see into y'all's houses. Like, it's dirty. If you have a rounder face and you're having issues, I made a video. I think I'm gonna delete a lot of the videos that I made though, that I have on my channel right now, because the quality of them, not in terms of the content, but in terms of the actual visual quality, is not up to my standard. And it bothers me so bad. Like, when I go look at them to try to, you know, see what I can change or do, I'm like, ew, who did this? Look, I did this on like VHS. I'd be like, okay. Okay, I'm gonna use my Airspun under my eye. Okay, I'm back because my camera overheated. Honestly, truly, like, I just feel like I'm too beautiful for all these stressful situations. Okay, anyway, so it's been baking, this Airspun has been baking under my eye for entirely too long. So I'm gonna talk to you guys really quickly about this brush that I love, that I just lost. Oh, here you go. So I don't know why I haven't bought a brush like this sooner. I had one in the past, but like, look, it's been through everything. Like, it's time for her to go to Jesus. But this brush here is from e.l.f. This was like maybe $6. I love this brush, and it's very difficult for me to find good brushes like to contour my noses with. My noses, all of my noses, even the one on my back. Like, I can't reach it. But anyways, this is a good contouring tool for real. Like I'm about to, I'm gonna go from, to, you know, that's gonna be me. I'm getting this NYX concealer, which of course I'm gonna use it as my contour. This is CW08.4. I don't know why it needs all these names. I don't know why everybody is texting me, except for the right people. I have, the way my braids are, it's actually part on the side, so I don't even waste product over here. I'm not even gonna lie. I'd be over here like, dee-dee-dee-dee.
Okay, I'm gonna take this chance to tell y'all about this dream I had the other night. For real. I was in Forever 21 and I was fighting this girl, and I was so mad in my dream because y'all know in your dreams, like, your punches, they don't land, like, they don't hit. So I just took the girl like the Heimlich, basically, like from the back, and I just flipped her over. Finish him. And I won the fight. That is a real story. That is a dream. I be having the dumbest dreams, for real. Sometimes I see the future, but I hope that's not the future because none of my punches were landing and I was losing really bad in the beginning. So.
Okay, next order of business. I'm gonna use my blush. I'm gonna use my MAC. I don't even know what kind this is. Eternal Sun. This has kind of been my go-to for the past like 1,000 years. Can you tell, like, I like routine? Like, I don't like doing new stuff. That's me. I'm not really a person that likes change that much. Depending on what the change is. If the change is in my pocket, that's a little different. My I Like Your Face palette by ColourPop. This highlighter palette, which will probably last me for the rest of my life, I feel like, at this point. I'm gonna use this orangey color at the top. Bruh, I just realized I forgot to do the rest of my eye makeup. Y'all wasn't even gonna tell me. Wow. Whoops! We're just gonna keep going. Y'all didn't see that. Oh my gosh, my wings are two different wings. Can y'all see that? Or is it just me? Like this one always goes up, this one always goes down. See how we can fix that? No, we're not gonna fix it actually. We're gonna leave it alone. Because y'all know that when y'all try to fix your liner after you mess up is when you mess up for real, for real. As I go in and try to fix it, even though I just told y'all don't do that. Let me get a look. Okay, so let me fix that piece that I just messed up on. I can't remember what color I wrote this on. So I'm gonna take a skinny brush like this. So if you guys ever mess up your liner, this is what you can do. The same shadow that I was using, and I'm just gonna go. So now that that's over, next order of business would be to bring my mole back because I love her and she's actually real. That she gets lost in the sauce, lost in the sauce, lost in the sauce. Crease the cross, do the sauce, put it on, dip gloss. I'm just kidding. I'm not just kidding. I do this all the time in my house by myself. I'm not the only one. Like my best freestyles are by myself. I'm like, oh, I'll be like, who heard you? Nobody. They're not gonna believe you. Okay, so in terms of lip color, I'm gonna use three things. This has been like my go-to lately, especially if I'm doing like more of like, everything I've been doing lately is pretty neutral, which is pretty boring, but I mean, when you work in corporate, can y'all really go to work like all crazy? But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my K on my outer portion of my lip, outer portion of my lips, and then I'm gonna use Cherish on the inside, and then I'm gonna top it off with the gloss. So, actually, I'm not gonna use Cherish because I just realized this is not Cherish, this is heroin, and if I have to get up from this chair one more time, I'm gonna slap somebody. So I have this NYX Abu Dhabi, I'm just gonna use that instead. Okay. Yo, I think my lips are crooked, like what happened to me? See, when you don't film for a long time, your body just do like, it just starts melting. Beauty Supply lip gloss, just regular schmegular, extraterrestrial. See, bro, I got the bars, bro. Y'all gotta mess with me for real. Don't say y'all knew me when I make it. Don't say you knew me.
Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Stay tuned for my next video. I love you guys. Goodbye. Give me a kiss, baby. Come on. I love you, baby.